Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Google Gemini Live with screen share on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open the settings app, then go to display. After that, just tap on navigation bar and from here, just enable assistant app. Now if you swipe inwards from one of the bottom corners on the screen, you will open Google Gemini. Now just tap on share screen with live. Select start. Now for example, I will open the gallery app. Now you can ask Google Gemini any question about the screen. For an example, what is in this image?
Okay, I see the interior of a Lamborghini CN37 Falkland Islands pounds. The Sian is Lamborghini's first hybrid production car, and it has a pretty distinctive look. Did you want to know more about this car?
Yeah, I would like to know if this car is fast or slow and what is the engine in this car.
The Lamborghini CN37 Falkland Islands pounds is a high-performance hybrid supercar. It's really fast, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.8 seconds, and has a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. It has a powerful V12 engine combined with an electric motor. Want to hear more about the engine or something else?
So what is in this image?
That's the Lamborghini Sian again, but this time you can see the whole car. It's a pretty stunning design, right? Are there any other details you'd like to know about it?
Now if you swipe down from the top of the screen and open the notifications panel, you can turn off Gemini Live from here. Just like that. And this is how you can use Google Gemini Live with screen share on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.